Hi, I'm going to show you how to access all of the Canvas trainings and tutorials that they have available. You're going to get into Canvas and go to your Help button on the bottom. Once you click that Help button, you're going to look until you see Training Services Portal, and then you're going to click. Once you get to the training portal, it will need to authorize you getting in there. And then you're going to see a button in the top right that says Launch Training. And you're going to click right there. Once you get in here, you're going to see that they have a learning library. And this is something that you can do at your own pace. And you can see what appeals to you and take those trainings. And it'll keep track of all of that. And if you click on the training calendar, these are trainings that you can sign up for that they have going on every single day. So, and once you click on there, then it's going to ask you to sign in, and then it'll remind you that you have a training that you have signed up for. The other thing that you're going to see in there is a area called My Learning, and what this does is it keeps track of all of the trainings that you have or tutorials that you have been through. And then you could always export that transcript and get that information to professional development. And there's how you can access all of the Canvas training services that they have available.